Jen's our class with Boys and Girls Club. Jen's our class. Join me this week with Jen's our class. This week's Boys and Girls Club art from home is paper bag puppets. What do you need? You need paper bags, some glue, scissors, paper or cardstock, and markers or Sharpie. So, what do? I went ahead and made Lola. Hi, I'm Lola. So I'm going to walk you through how to make her. So I went ahead and put my paper bag on the table and got out my markers and made the mouth. Okay. And then you can go ahead and you can add the eyes and the nose and some details. And then go in and add the hair. That was good for me because I'm a hairdresser. I enjoyed that. And you can see I kind of colored my hair too. And then you can add the face and the clothing. And there you have it. Hi! There she is. Okay, and then I'm going to walk you through making a cat. Meow. So all you do is you take your paper and you're going to cut out all the shapes for the nose, the eyes, the mouth, the nose, the eyes, and the ears, and all of that. You just cut all that out, and then you go ahead and take your glue and you glue it on, and then you can draw the whiskers and the mouth, and then you have your cat. And you can actually do the same thing with a dog. So I made a dog as well. And so yeah, you just cut out the shapes of the ears and the eyes and the nose, the tongue, the body, and glue it on. Meow, roof, meow, roof. And there you have it. So go ahead and make some paper bag puppets today.